Hello guys and welcome back to another trade recap. As you can see, today I did actually take a trade on the Express. However, I did take a loss. I took one trade and it hit SL. I'll walk you guys through what trade I took, why I took it. And I also took some trades on my combines. Took some losses here as well. I took in total 3 trades on the combines. And all of them were okay setups, at least in my opinion. Okay, so coming to the day, Asia had run up a lot, and it was because of something having to do with Nvidia getting acceptance to do some China stuff or something. I don't know. At least we did run up higher, took out all-time high. And then London just accumulated. So my thought coming today was I was scared to short on all-time high levels because that hasn't really worked that well in the past. So I was more tempted to go long after we my idea was that we were gonna move down a little bit and then I could catch a long. So coming into open, and we also had a lot of news today at 8:30. So I'll show you. This is the news candle. So we ended up going down before news, putting this SMT with ES, then we ran up higher. So here's the news candle, and then we just chopped a little bit. So right here is open, right here, and before open we put in this SMT with ES. So I was leaning towards maybe catching a short, and then at open we also ran up higher, took out this high, which also made an SMT. So now looking back at it, I realized this short is like really good actually. So after this I was like, I want to take a short, but I didn't feel too confident in it to take it on Express. So after this cyst, I think I ended like right here because I didn't take it right away. I think I waited for like 2 minutes or something. But I did enter short on my combine. My entry was right here. And I had my stops like right there. So great RR and a great setup. So what did I do then? I entered here, followed this down. I had 4 contracts I think. Put SLBE when we're down here. Why did I do that? Because yesterday and some days before, this move down has just been manipulation down to just sweep the nearest low and react in the bullish FVG, just go straight up, which did happen to me, I think it was yesterday. So I didn't want that to happen again. So when we went down and swept this low, I actually put SLBE, and I think we also put an SMT with, let me see, yeah we did. We'd put in an SMT I think at this low too, so I put SLBE, and what happened, I got stopped out by like 0.5 points, like just hit my SL and went straight to TP. So that kinda made me a little bit tilt, but now we got the setup that I actually wanted for my Express, and that was to sweep these lows, come into the 1 hour bullish FVG and react, which we did. We made this low resweep, and then we made 2 minute cyst right here, and that's when I entered like right here, and TP at the highs. So this trade I took on combine and Express, and now looking back at it, I mean the setup is okay, but we didn't have an SMT, which isn't too great, and the RR is so bad so I probably shouldn't have even taken it. This short is actually better to take, but I'm just so scared to take it because it's like right at open. But I did take this. It almost hit my SL right here, then chopped, and I finally hit my SL. And I didn't get to record these trades because I was at work, unfortunately. So at work I'm sitting working at a computer so I can trade, because there isn't that much to do, so I can trade simultaneously. So this hit SL and I was kind of tilt, because first trade in a while on the Express, took a loss, also took losses on the Combine. I was like 500 down for the day. Then I saw this long on the Combine again. ES had swept this low, so we made a big SMT right here. We made assist, so I think I ended like right here on the Combine. I had SL right here. So what did I do when we got up here? What do you think I did? I added more contracts as we went up, and I got more confirmation, so my entry ended up being like right here. And then once we got up here, SLB again, and stopped out B. If I wouldn't have put B in, would have just held the trade, I would have been break even for the day on the Combines. But unfortunately didn't do that. But I actually entered again when we disrespected this. When we disrespected right here, I entered. Come on. I entered again, but only with like 5 contracts, so I took a small win. So yeah, this was my trades for the day. Market conditions are slowly getting better in my opinion. It's still quite bad, not the best, but definitely better than like last week. And I just think I need to do better. I don't really know what's going so bad lately. Like, it just feels like nothing is working in the charts for me. You know, like some trades are so simple, like this one. It's so easy. You can just enter right here, like stop loss right there, TP right here. I can find like, of course it's in hindsight, but there's like winning trades everywhere. And this short that I took got stopped at BE, and this I got stopped out BE. Both would have hit TP. But yeah, I don't know. It just, something just isn't working, and I'm trying to figure out what it is so I can fix it. But I guess I just have to keep going and hopefully just start taking winning trades. I'm gonna focus a lot more on my entry and probably taking like the first setup I see for the day on the Express, because after that we just shop a lot. So the first entry that comes, like if this short comes again, I have to take it, like assist, double SMT, resweep. The problem right here was, yet again, we were in a 5-minute bullish overhead gap, and when we disrespected it, we were like down here, so then it was too late to catch the entry. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.